Jake Bird, a transient laborer born in 1901, became infamous as an American serial killer known as the Axe Murderer. His violent crimes spanned several decades, but his reign of terror was fully exposed in October 1947, when police in Tacoma, Washington, responded to a brutal double homicide. Bertha Klutt and her daughter Beverly had been savagely attacked with an axe in their home. Bird, fleeing the scene, was quickly apprehended after a violent struggle with officers. During intense interrogation, Bird confessed not only to the Tacoma murders, but also shocked authorities by admitting to killing dozens more across the country. He claimed responsibility for up to 44 murders, dating from the 1930s through the 1940s, often targeting women alone in their residences. Bird's confessions prompted police to reopen numerous cold cases, confirming his involvement in several previously unsolved crimes. Despite his pleas of insanity, Bird was convicted and sentenced to death. In 1949, Jake Bird was executed by hanging, leaving behind a chilling legacy of brutality and a stark warning about the dangers that can lurk unnoticed among society's most vulnerable. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.